Greetings from NeuronThemes. For this video, we are going to show you how to build your WooCommerce product style and design theme to create effective lead conversion pages. We made sure to make it easy for you not only design your site like a pro, but also run your workflow as smoothly as possible using our advanced WooCommerce product elements that behold a wide set of configuration options to build flexible product pages, like the one we're previewing right now. To get your product page started, you will first need to have established your products from the WordPress dashboard product, and you will need to have placed their respective information. To get started with the design you saw earlier, we will first add a section, go to the Advanced tab, and add some top padding of 70 pixels value and some bottom padding of 86 pixel value. That should do it. Now that we have set the foundation for your WooCommerce product element, let's first search it and drag it onto the page. Notice how the element will extract content from the database. We will show you later how to select the content or products you want shown. Let's start from the Content tab. In the Layout section, you can set how many columns you want to be displayed. We went with 4. Next, you have the Post per page. You can display the number of posts you want shown. Let's add a value of 12. Choose to show your products in a carousel. In the Layout option, you can choose either Grid, Masonry, or Metro, and we'll set the image size to full. Select the value for your image ratio by either dragging the handle or typing a value. We are going to put the value of 1.38. You can choose to either show or hide the title, price, or rating. Let me show you a cool trick. If we go back to the WordPress backend, when adding relevant data for your product, if you are going to put a product for sale, under regular price, you should put the price of the product. And under sale price, you put the sale price of the product. And by default, the price will be presented in such manner, thus adding a flash sale upon the product element, which we will customize it later. Now heading to the Add to Cart section. You can choose to either show or hide it. You can customize the text. You can add an icon before or after the text. You can remove the text and leave the icon only, or leave the text only. We went with the latter. In the Query section, we can configure the option to show specific posts by assigning the taxonomy. First, you can have the source from where the content is pulled to either be latest products, sales, featured, or manual selection, entering products one by one. You can include or exclude posts by term or by author. If, for example, I want to show only chairs, I will choose the chairs category. This works with other taxonomies as well, say tags. You can order your products by publishing time, past day, past week, past month, past year, or custom. Or order them by date, title, menu order, or random, and choose to be shown in ascending or descending order. Moving on to the pagination section. You can allow showing order for your visitor to select sortation either by popularity, average rating, newness, or price. Show the result count on your products. Add pagination by number, show more, previous, next, or a combination of both. Set the limit of pages you want your user to see and shorten the pagination by clicking the handle on. You can configure the labels, previous and next, align the pagination left, center, or right, and add some spacing of 70 pixels. Switch the handle on and off to either show or hide the filters. Choose the taxonomy, either product categories or product tags, or choose to show the All filter. Now we shall move to the Style tab and optimize our design. From the Layout section, choose the column gap to be 30 pixels and the row gap to be 50 pixels. Set an animation to add movement to your website. Choose from the various options on the list. We went with the fade in up animation and set the delay to 150 milliseconds per each 1400 delay reset. In the box section, you can design the box. If you want to add it, put the value of the border width. You can add paddings, box shadow, background color, and border color. In the image section, we are going to add the value of 24 pixels for the spacing. From the Content section, you can configure the typography option for the title, price, and star rating. In the pagination section, we are going to play around with the typography options. First, we'll set the font size to 18 pixels, the weight of the font to be 500, and the line height 30 pixels. We will activate the hover and add this brownish color, and let's set the spacing to 40 pixels. From the Sales Flash section, we are going to customize its design. You can either choose to show or hide the flash, add the background color and text color. Next on, we will tweak the typography option. We will set the size of the font to be 16 pixels, the weight of the font to be 500, and lastly, the line height to be 26 pixels. We will add a border radius to 0. We will set the width to be 50 pixels and the line height 27 pixels, and position it to be left. The last touch is going to be the distance, which will take the value of 12 pixels. Lastly, from the Styles tab, we have the Add to Cart section. You can set the background color and text color. Once again, the typography options are going to be configured. We will add a decoration to be underlined. The border type will be set to solid. You can choose from other options as well. The width of the border will be set to 0. For the sake of our design, we won't add any color, although this is optional. You can add border radius to your card and have edges to be rounded. You can add a box shadow as well. The padding options will take the value of 0. Set the horizontal position to left, center, right, or justify. From the Advanced tab, you can add margins, paddings, motion effects, but we will leave these settings as they are. This concludes our video. For more informative upcoming videos, please hit the subscribe button and tap that bell for updated content. Thank you for watching, keep creating, and be safe.